The people are not interested. Group explains why there was no jubilation after Uzodinma won at the Supreme Court. In a press statement issued by a state chairman, Chinonso Uba, the group also identified hardship and insecurity as the reasons for apathy towards the verdict. The Imo State chapter of the National Youth Alliance, NYA, has provided reasons for the absence of celebration in the state following the Supreme Court decision to uphold Governor Hope Uzodinma's election. The group said the people already knew the direction of the judgment. In a press statement issued by a state chairman, Chinonso, the group also identified hardship and insecurity as the reasons for the apathy towards the verdict. The group and the press release maintained that the people are no longer interested in the political happenings under President administration of Uzodinma. If there was any judgment over the 2023 Imo Goba election on the 23rd August 2024, Imolites were not aware. The reason is not far-fetched. The governor is not in Imo. He doesn't care about the Imo people. He is not interested in what Imo people are going through. Whether Imo people are dead or alive, he doesn't care, the statement said. The statement added that the only people who are aware of any Supreme Court judgment are the members of the APC who are also suffering the same economic meltdown with the ordinary citizens. If the people are truly interested in the judgment, the streets of Owerri would have erupted in jubilation and ecstasy, but everywhere was unbelievably quiet, cold, and unconcerned. The Igbo people remain unperturbed with the judgment because of the leadership style of a man at the helm of affairs. Lack of accountability of Imo State local government areas allocation between 2020 to 2024 and non-infrastructural development contributed to the quietness that greeted the judgment in the state. You want me then to jubilate for person wey be say they no like. Apart from say they no like am, this man don't give them calamity upon calamity. This man have brought into them. He don't bring a lot of bad thing. Huh? Okay. Has he ever won through election before, my dear? He has not. Never. It has been simply pay as you go election and judgment all along. 8 years, maybe 800 years. It will soon end and war will shift to entire retirement. Senate seats. What a life of being an absolute burden on the people. May God spare his life till then. I disagree, he did not win. No joy for this country. Imo is part of the country, so there is nothing to jubilate in APC government. Please, is there any judge or court of law in Nigeria? My dear, this question where you ask now, I don't know as I go use answer. That is to prove that Nigerians are already fed up with the judiciary. The woman that was denied the American visa due to judicial eruption is now your Chief Justice of Nigeria. Shameless country with shameless leader. What do you expect? It is a Supreme Court customer having come in through the same dubious legal system. You don't hear? His savior is now the Chief Justice of Nigeria. Do you get? So the thing is, the Imolite people, what do they want get joy for? They want jubilate. See what happen. Best way then they pray making no come back. Make it be say then carry and give another person. Now they come outside they talk say they no erupt in jubilate. Which kind of nonsense jubilation be that? Which kind of nonsense jubilation? However, there are jubilation among the beneficiaries of the government of the day. One thing about life is everyone cannot celebrate at the same time. Reserve your own celebration until your turn show. My own be say this is not a matter of what they call everyone cannot celebrate. This one is a matter of you must take people they don't tire. What is sumo? Imolite expected nothing different. The same judge that pronounced him governor is the Chief Justice of Nigeria recently. Everyone is tired of this country called Nigeria with their so-called judgment, hope of good things from this government. Election where the so-called governor made Nigerians believe that he won the election in all the local government in Imo State, which can never be possible. Do you understand? It is not true. They were and the widespread jubilations among lovers of truth and supremacy of the people because Imo people snubbed hope and his word Supreme Court victory. Let the government continue to celebrate the solemn mandate all by himself. He's governing Abuja people. You will see him on TV on every small occasion, morning, afternoon, and night, Monday through Sunday in Abuja. How then and where do you see his Douglas House, talkless of knowing if there are people called Indimo to rule? It is really a pitiable situation. Nigerian Supreme Court and their judgment, even before they enter court premises, Nigeria already know the outcome. Since he entered in that set, he has not done any release for the people that are in prison for so many years. Those of them that are condemned to death, they are in Port Harcourt maximum prison. As he has won the case in Supreme Court, let him remember our brothers and sisters that are in prison, those of them that are condemned to death for pardon. Which party is Uzodinma? Na APC now. The same thing is happening in Kogi State. Even the people that are clapping hands for APC are all suffering along with us. In fact, they are celebrating poverty and fighting with another. Why should people celebrate when everyone knows that it was mechanized judgment? Abeg, when are they going to set our children for first school living certificate exam? Now that one they eat me up to hell. To hell with jubilation. Oh God. If the reverse was the case, there would be having jubilation. Uzodinma won overwhelmingly and confidently. Therefore, there is no need for jubilation. You people do not have any job by explaining why people no jubilate. See his round face. God will have seen a lot in this country. Why will it end? Abi, we should continue to endure. The Supreme Court is watching and waiting for all the corrupt judges in Nigeria and its entire nations of the world. We don't even have something like, okay, we don't even know something like that happened. I'm just hearing it. Indimo don't to suffer. My dear, they don't to suffer. Oh. What's it, Jaya? Indimo, nobody cares whether there is governor because there is no sign of the governor. Because I'm always hearing that this man is always in EBJ. Because of the atrocities where you don't come out. You know, go sit down for your office. Who are you and how does Imo State affair concern you? Okay. Either jubilation or not, he's the second term tenure. If his enemies like it or not, Uzodinma will finish his term. And Imo State will still remain. So you people wanted to murder yourself because of what that is very small. Oga, no let them trace you. This period now, when period baby go, they very careful. Alright. On this note, we have come to the end of the news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen until I come your way next time. Enjoy the rest of your day.